Okay, welcome on my channel, welcome on my podcast, welcome on my page, YouTube channel. Right, there's an oil refinery plant that is to be built or established or developed in Zambia, Republic of Zambia, an oil refinery plant to the tune of $1.1 billion. This is the financial cost that is going to be incurred in terms of establishment or development of that project. And they call it an oil refinery plant in a city or town by the name Ndola. And because of this, the production capacity is going to be 60,000 barrels of oil per day. 60,000 barrels of oil per day. So the government of Zambia, they entered into an agreement with a Chinese company to build this plant or to carry out this project for them. And they secured a deal in this sense to the tune or to the value of $1.1 billion. Yes. So there are going to be exports from that project coming out or stemming from that development, exporting oil to other countries, especially in SADC, Southern African Development Community members like Zimbabwe or Malawi, South Africa or Namibia or Lesotho or Eswatini. So they are going to benefit in terms of exporting the oil that they'll be refining on that plant when it gets completed or gets finished in the near future. So Southern African countries are going to benefit from the oil that's going to be exported by Zambia from their plant in a city called Ndola, in a town called Ndola. So I'm just sharing with you this information about the news that I saw on what the Zambian government is doing with this Chinese company. They entered into an agreement. They're having a very good cooperation that gonna lead to the establishment or development of this oil refinery plant in Ndola. So any country in Africa, particularly in Southern Africa, then by extension to other African countries, they're going to benefit when Zambia starts to export the oil that they'll be refining on that plant. So I know this is good news to SADC members, SADC countries, Zimbabwe, Malawi, Mozambique, Namibia, Lesotho, Swaziland, South Africa. They're going to benefit. Even Angola, they're going to benefit from this move. They are going to benefit from this drive that's being taken or done or carried out by the Zambian government and the Chinese company to start work on this project. They're saying that it is to start this year, 2025, in the third quarter of this year, 2025. Then in the next few years, the plant will be ready, to be commissioned by their president in that country, Zambia. Then it's ready for business, it's ready for production. So this is the news that I want to share with you, how African countries, SADC members, SADC countries are going to benefit from this move, from the oil refinery plant to be built, to be established by the Zambian government in partnership or in collaboration with this Chinese company. Yes, it's very true. SADC members, SADC countries are going to benefit a lot when Zambia start exporting exporting oil to these countries in SADC and by extension to other African countries. But this is how they're going to do it. This is how it's going to work out. They're going to import what is called crude oil from the Middle East region in countries like Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Jordan, Kuwait, or Iran, Iraq. They're going to import crude oil from the Middle East region or other countries that have got crude oil. Then it is to be transported via Tanzania through a port called Dar es Salaam port of Dar es Salaam, the capital of Tanzania. Then it comes straight down to Zambia. So this is how it's going to work out. This is how this thing is going to happen. They have to import crude oil from the Middle East, then it will pass down through Tanzania, Dar es Salaam capital, going straight down to Zambia. Then they start to refine. So this is how the whole project of the oil refinery is going to pan out, is going to work out. Okay, as I was talking, what came to your mind, what popped up in your brain, what are your comments on this development that is set to happen in Zambia Republic of Zambia. What are your views? What are your opinions? What are your comments in relation or pertaining to what I said about this great, massive development to take place in Zambia, the oil refinery plant to be built or established in the city or town of Ndola? What do you have to say about it? Type, write your comments in the comment section. I'm done talking. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Sharp.